Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Homing Lifestyle 250. In today's video we are unboxing the AirTab i15 Pro Max and taking a first look on this exciting tablet. It is worth buying. Let's find out together. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. So let's start to unboxing this amazing air top. Okay, guys, I'm exciting, and you can understand how I'm feeling. We are unboxing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh wow, take a look. Wow, it's so amazing. So there is a tablet and there is keyboard, iPad, fast charger, USB cable, universal pen, and wow, wireless. This is a wireless mouse. Wireless mouse. So guys, I think this is what I wanted to show you. In the next video I will show you how it works. Oh wow, look, it's so amazing tablet. Oh my gosh. So, and this is what I wanted you to see. Okay, it has sleek cameras. Wow.